रह सके ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon or good evening wherever you're watching me from. It's Sunday, so happy Sunday to everyone. Happy Sunday. So guys, we are on our way to church. So guys please let me talk. So guys, I want to just share something with you guys. You know, if I'm a Catholic and if you're not a Catholic, if you're a Catholic, you know what I'm talking about. You know these things I'm talking about. So my son is due for receiving Holy Communion because he's 10 years. Guys, because he's 10 years and Holy Communion is from 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. And previously we are going to church in another place, but the time difference, due to the time difference, he can't do his catechism class there because the catechism class there start by let's say 8:30, and where we stay it's like 45 minutes to the church. So before we'll go to the church Abashala, they might have closed or he won't be able to attend the catechism class. And moreover, there are Africans there too that comes to the church, but we have to find church around us, Catholic church around us. Yeah. So guys, that's why we are going. We are looking for another church to go around us. There are ones, there's a lot of it, but we prefer going to where the African people are, you know, to see our community friends, to see our fellow Africans. That's why we also prefer going there too. But here, I don't think there are any Africans in this new church. So guys, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to take you guys and see how, and share also my first experience in the new church where we are going. Okay guys, see, I'm wearing my African attire. I'll show you guys the full outfit if possible. Alright guys, hi guys, are you not Jella, you're wearing my glasses. Say hi guys. Hi. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, mama want to say. Mama, what do you want? Hi, mama, what do you want to say? Subscribe. She's saying subscribe. Don't say it louder so that they will hear you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay. Yes, I will share also the experience when we go, how the church is. So stay tuned, guys, and enjoy your Sunday service and enjoy your day. We catch you guys later. Hallelujah to the Lord. Sing hallelujah to the Lord. Sing hallelujah to the Lord. Sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah to the Lord. And with your spirit. Welcome back again. How are you guys doing? Okay, we are done with the church service and we located the new church we are attending because it's close by. So it's even close by. I never knew it's like 20 minutes drive to my house. And my kids, they are done with the catechism I talked about earlier. So we will be attending that church from now, and they will also be going for their catechism class. So guys, stay tuned. Let's continue with the vlog. I just want to tell you what the conclusion of what I was saying earlier, what we discover, my observation, and stay tuned guys. Mommy,
don't forget to like and subscribe.
A few hours later.
So guys, we are back from the church service and I want to quickly prepare lunch for my kids, for my family, and I also carry you guys along with the preparation. I want to make a fried rice for them. I will take you guys along quickly, and guys, stay tuned because I want to review a very good product for you guys that I find good. I want to review it to you guys, so stay tuned and keep on watching while I prepare the food as well as the product review. So keep on watching, guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. Later that day,
To review something to you guys, if you're in my category, my boat. Those of you that are having problem drawing this bro, because I find it quite difficult sometimes to draw this bro until I discovered this amazing product. It's called a marine color. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. So I'll just show you what this is. It's so good. Drawing eyebrow. It comes in this already. I'm using it, so I just want to share it with you guys in case you're in the same boat with me, that you're finding it difficult to draw. And the thing is, this quick, within a few seconds you're done. You don't need to start styling and all that. Within a few seconds you're done. This is it. And it comes with lots of stripes and with different number. This is number 1. Different shapes. In case you draw this shape, you don't like it, you can erase it and do another shape. Number 3, number 2, and number 4. It comes in 4 different shapes. So guys, you know what you want, the style or how you want your bro to look like. So guys, I'm going to start with number 3. I'll use number 3 and show you guys how it is. You just have to adjust your bro. Adjust the bro. Okay, next thing you do is just to place this the place you want your bro to be. See guys, and next thing is, see how it is. It's inside. It's not powder that you say to stain. You just have to dab on the bro, depending on how thick you want it to be. Guys, see, this is number 3, and if you don't like number 3, you can as well try number 2. This is number 2. I just do number 2 over here, depending on the shape you want it to be. If you want it thick also, you can as well do it to be thick by just dabbing on this, dabbing on it and placing it. So guys, see. So guys, which one is better? Number 2, number 3. This is number 3, the stripes number 3. If you want it to be short like this, you can go with this one. If you want it to be long like this, you can as well go. And the thing is quick and accessible. So guys, this is what I want to review to you guys. You can order this online in Amazon. Is also there. You can find it anywhere you're ordering. It might not be the same, but if you're in the category, you can as well go for this. See how it is. So perfect and so neat. This is the stripes. Number 2, number 3, if you want it to be, and if you also want it to be more thicker, you can as well do it more thicker. If you want it to be light, you can also do it light. So guys, that's what I want to review to you. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up. It means a lot to me and this channel, and also for this video, of course. And if this is your first time across this channel, please and please do well to smash the red button and join the family. I guarantee you will enjoy it here. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll catch you guys later in my next video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Have a lovely day and a blessed week ahead. Yeah.